Welcome back, besties. Y'all know what time it is. Fa la 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 la. Yeah, I had to put my Christmas tree up. Every year I tell myself my tree will be up November 1st and it never fails. It's never up. But this year I stood on business and my tree was up November 1st. Now, it's not decorated how I would like because I really don't know what color I want to go with, but it's up. That's all that matters. So me and my kids had a birthday party to go to. My niece was turning 4. So she had a cute little paint and sip type thing party. So I was getting Kamaya's hair ready for that. And Lord, that girl has a lot of hair. Y'all, I call myself locking her hair. And she took it down. She told me she didn't want it. But it's just like, girl, I can't be doing your hair, like whenever you want it. Every 2 weeks, basically. She likes to get her hair done whenever she wants to because she know her mom braids hair. Queen is the same way. But Kamaya, she do know how to do her hair. Like, she know how to do ponytails. But she wanted a real nice, slick, whoop-de-doop-doop-doop type thing. So I went on and did that. And then after I did her ponytail, I went on and did Queenie to look cute ponytails. And then we wound up going to the party. Y'all, I told myself when I walked in the store, when I got out my vehicle, I said, Jasmine, we not spending no money today. Go in there and get them groceries and get out that store. But for some reason, I can never just go to the groceries. Mind you, in the Sam's Club where I go to, like the furniture and everything is in the front. Instead of the food being in the front, the food is all the way on the other side of the store in the back. So somehow the buggy just went that way and I followed the buggy. So, but I came across these pillows. They was only $20. Don't tell nobody. But they was only $20 and I was like, oh my goodness, it's finna be fall. This rust would look so good on my bed. And then the cream with the brown lining around. Y'all. Now, mind you, another thing is when I pillow shop, like I want to say maybe a year ago, I think I spent like $300 on pillows, but it was pillows for my living room and pillows for my bedroom, and each pillow was like $20. So I was like, you get 2 pillows for $20? Yeah, let me get that. So it was kind of like you couldn't pass it up. And don't come out here talking about why you trying to justify. Hey, it is what it is. Them pillows was cute and I needed them for my bed. Man walk up and gonna pause in the camera talking about who camera this is. If you don't get your if you don't move, this is exactly what I be telling myself. Like I need to, just try and grocery shop on Instacart because I really hate going in the store. I really hate going in the store, and I'm really trying to do my content thing. But it's like, why would you walk up and, y'all? I edited so many people out of this doggone vlog because they just coming up like looking in the camera. First of all, you don't know who camera it is. It ain't yours. Second of all, why would you just walk up to somebody's camera and put your ugly face in? Y'all. I was finna go home, but I wanted to go to TJ Maxx to see if they had these little containers that I can put. Oh, I forgot to get my kids some milk, bro. What the? God, dog it. I'm gonna have to go get them some milk tomorrow for their cereal. I forgot to get milk, and I went back over there, and the price of them eggs just the price of them eggs just confused me a little bit. So I forgot why I went back over there and I left. What she say? So this was a new day, y'all. I needed a day to regroup from the grocery store. I think when I left there, I had wound up going to get my hair done. I honestly don't remember. But yeah, I just needed a day to regroup from the grocery store. So I did put up the freezer food, but all that other stuff, I think I left it in the truck and waited for my kids to get home so they could bring it in, like all the snacks and those muffins and stuff. But right now I'm just picking up the kitchen putting the dishes in the dishwasher. And I know a lot of people in the comments asking me, do I use my dishwasher? When I first moved in, I did used to use my dishwasher. But I don't use my dishwasher like that. I don't use it to wash the dishes. I wash the dishes myself, and then I put them in the dishwasher so they can dry, and then I just put them up. Sometimes, like, I try and use the dishwasher, but, it just doesn't clean the dishes as good as it do when I would hand wash them. So I just wash the dishes myself and then just put them in the dishwasher.
I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun. I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun.
now that it's cold, I haven't really been cleaning my truck the way I used to when I first got it, because I did get it in the summertime. So I was cleaning it at least once a week, and then washing it maybe every 2 to 3 weeks. So on the past couple days we had that was hot, I did decide, like, let me go ahead and clean my truck out. Now when I do vacuum and wash it, it does take me about 2 hours, but normally I get up, it be on my off day, so normally I'll get up at like 6 and just go out and clean my truck, and I'll be done by like 8. As you can see, the truck gets really messy because them kids just want to do whatever it is they want to do. So I told them now it's not as bad as it was when we first got it, because I told them when I go to clean the truck out, whatever's in there, it could be your jacket, it could be your book bag, your shoes, I'm throwing it in the trash, because why do we go in the house? Why you can't take your stuff with you? Why I gotta keep saying, take your stuff? This is not your room. Take your stuff in the house. So they is getting better at doing that. But I found this, I think it was like a 35-piece vacuum set on Amazon. I'll link it down below. I like it. I like that the cord is long and it can stretch from the back to the front, from the front to the back, because my truck is really big. It has a nice powerful suction, and it gets up the crumbs, and it does come with like, I want to say like maybe 2 or 3, maybe 4 different nozzle heads. The only thing I don't like is that putty stuff. That just don't sit right with me on my hands. It feels so nasty. It's cold, but I do see a lot of people using it to like get the dirt up. I guess like the dust and the crumbs, but I just use that to wipe it off. I just use a towel to wipe that off. Also, when I purchased my truck as a gift, the car dealership had gave me this car cleaning kit. I think it's called something Adams. I'm going to be ordering some more of their stuff. I did go to Walmart and get the shampoo. Now, when I clean my truck, it does like that stuff, because I wash it, and then I also like polish it, and I also do my tires. So it takes me a minute to like clean my truck. It's just like, it's not vacuuming, getting the stuff up, washing it, and then going in the house. No, it's the whole process. They did give me a kit. It was a free kit, like a welcome, thank you for purchasing from us kit. I do still have it. No, I'm lying. I don't have it. I think I was cleaning out my truck one day, and I was in a rush and forgot to put it back in my truck. And I don't know if the deers, or I don't know, something got into it, because we do live by a lot of wildlife. So I don't know what got into it, but when I came back, like all my liquids was busted out in the bag. So I don't have the bottles no more. I really only have the some of the sprays and the wash, because at first I was washing my truck with Dawn, but then I was like, let me just go get the matching soap to this. And then they just so happened to have it at Walmart, and I think it was only like $11, and it's a nice size bottle. So I went on and bought that, and I do like the way that cleans my truck. It be having my baby looking so good. Okay. besties, thank you guys so much for following me and just uplifting me on this journey on my YouTube channel. Be sure to like, follow, and subscribe. Also, follow me over on Instagram and also TikTok, Dope Mom of 6. Thanks for watching.